welcome to our check-in. My name's Kelsey, children's educator here at Ginter Botanical Garden, and this week we are checking in from the Kroger Community Kitchen Garden. I was lucky enough to run into Michelle Chatham, sustainable agriculture gardener here at Ginter, and I asked a couple of questions about the Kroger Community Kitchen Garden. The first being, why do we have the Kroger Community Kitchen Garden? What does it do? The second question is, how do we produce food crops in the winter time up here in the Kroger Community Kitchen Garden? And the third question is, what are we harvesting today?
Hi, my name is Michelle. I work here in the Kroger Community Kitchen Garden, and we grow vegetables year-round that get donated to Feed More, which is a local food bank in the Central Virginia area. So we very much so are a community garden. We're feeding our community. You may be wondering how we're able to grow stuff when it gets so cold outside. Thankfully, we have some awesome season extenders. The first one I'm going to show you is this low tunnel, which acts as a mini greenhouse, and it's on a raised bed. And it will trap the heat from the sun and form kind of a greenhouse effect inside and maintain at least a 5-degree difference. So it's 5 degrees warmer at least than what we're feeling outside. Along with vegetables in the KCKG, we also do some cover crops to replenish the nutrients in the soil in between growing seasons. This one here is Seed Radish, and it has many great functions. On top of being up to 6 feet long and breaking up the soil, it also has a chemical that it releases that is a suppressant to nematodes. We have root knot nematodes here, and it's a microscopic worm that destroys the roots of the plants and keeps them from uptaking nutrients. So it's pretty bad, and this will help to keep them under control. Our second season extenders are cold frames, which allow us to also grow greens year-round. When temperatures are still really high in the late summer, when we first initially seed, we're able to leave them open so there's great airflow and also kind of filtered light so that they don't overheat or get burnt. In the wintertime, when our temperatures get below freezing, we are able to protect them from frost by closing them so that they stay nice and healthy all winter long. On Wednesdays, we usually do our big harvest for Feed More. I'm sitting with one of our last turnips of the season, but along with turnips this week, we also harvested rutabagas, kale, spinach, collards, Mizuna greens, pak choi, various lettuces, and we're really excited for whenever it's time to harvest cabbages because they're looking awesome so far. Some turnips, lettuce mix, more lettuce mix, purple pak choi, lots of beautiful spinach, Mizuna greens, more lettuce, rutabagas,
Rutabaga.
collard greens, 2 bags of collard greens, and another bag of spinach.
Wow, thanks Michelle for giving us a tour and for sharing all of that information with us today. I had no idea that you could plant radishes to keep away nematodes out of the soil. That's so cool. Thanks so much for watching, you all, and have a great week. I'll see you guys next time.